Do you enjoy the fruit of the pawpaw tree? Humans can eat the pawpaw fruit, but the leaves are delicious to another kind of animal, the zebra swallowtail caterpillar. Pawpaw leaves contain a chemical that tastes bad to mammals, like deer and rabbits, so the caterpillars munch on the leaves to make themselves taste bad too. Predators then leave those bitter-tasting caterpillars alone. Here, I made a zebra swallowtail pop-up card, and you can too. You'll find the template and instructions on our webpage along with this video. Start by coloring your butterfly. You can make it mostly black and white, like a real zebra swallowtail, or you can use your imagination to make it as colorful as you like. Then you'll want to cut your butterfly out on these solid black lines. Also, make a scene on the card. You can see here I've drawn a pawpaw flower. Once you cut out the two halves of the butterfly, glue down tab A to the spot on the card that says tab A. Slide in the other half of the butterfly, tab B, over the top, and then glue down the part that says tab B to the tab B spot on the card. And then you're all done. I hope you enjoy your pop-up card.